This light jacket is no match for the bitterness of my attachments. Iron bracelets, clicking teeth, carving letters into dirty sheets, origami paper, slow to unfolding. You are the wild beast, somehow consoling me. This holy labor, I'll come back when you are me. I love you. This thin blanket, naked skin, couldn't keep out what I was feeling. Running anxious, crooked pen. Would you turn me in your hand again? Origami paper, slow to unfolding. You are the wild beast, somehow consoling me. This whole